how to blur faces and license plates in photopia.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So in order to blur faces and license plates on Photopia, blur tool is not gonna be enough because the blur tool is very weak and it's not gonna be very precise. If we make the strength 100% and even increase the size of the brush and go over this face, for example, as you can see, the blur is very weak. So what we're gonna do is make a selection around this face by using this ellipse tool and make a selection like this, and then go to filter, go to blur, and choose Gaussian blur. Now we can change the radius, as you can see, and blur the face as we want. We can have better selection on the face, but this is for the blurring of the face. We can also use another filter, go to Pixelate and go to Mosaic and increase the cell size, and that's the style here for pixelating. After this, click on OK. And that's for the faces. Let's try it on a license plate. In order to blur the license plate, we're gonna make a selection using the rectangle select and hover over it like this, and then just like what we did in the previous picture, go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and increase the radius until the blur is enough like this. Click on OK. Now it's blurred. Then also use the pixelating way. Go to pixelate from filter menu, go to mosaic, and go and increase the cell size and click on OK. And that's it. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.